Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you the simple Ghanaian favorite street snack, which is Kosua Mako or deviled eggs. It's such a delicious snack, and trust me, you are definitely going to love this recipe. And so if today being your first time on this channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Let's get started. Alright, so I have with me here 8 eggs. You can as well use any amount of eggs that you want. So next I'll begin by boiling my eggs. So to a pot, I'll go in with my 8 eggs. Make sure to wash them very well, okay? After that, I'll go in with some water to cook this and also salt to taste. Now let's cover and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until it is nice and ready. Whilst we're waiting patiently for the eggs to get ready, let's go ahead and grind our pepper sauce. So I'll be using this asanka to grind my pepper sauce. You can also use blender if you want, but trust me, the taste of asanka when grinding pepper is so marvelous. So try to use the authentic way and you are going to get the perfect taste. So I went in with some chopped onions. I'll go in with some pepper. For the pepper, I'm using both red ones and the green ones, which is the pakoshito, to reduce the heat a little bit, okay? And for my pepper sauce to taste really good, I went in with some thumb size of ginger and garlic. You can omit that one if you don't want the taste of fresh garlic and ginger in your pepper, okay? Next, I'll go in with some 2 medium-sized fresh tomatoes to also reduce the heat and also makes the pepper sauce taste really good. I'll go in with some salt to taste and I'll grind until everything is nice and very smooth. Whilst grinding our pepper sauce, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always supporting your girl. I'm very grateful. So now we're done grinding our pepper, so our egg is also ready after 15 minutes. So I'll just turn off the flame and set it aside. Next, to a bowl, I'll go in with some salt and a little bit of water. I'll mix it very well until I get a paste consistency. I'll be coating my egg with this salt solution because this is how the street sellers do it, and they do this just to prevent the egg going bad easily. In case the eggs don't get finished the same day, they are going to prevent this for a week or more and it won't go bad. Trust me on this one. So I'll be coating everything and I'll set it aside. But trust me, if you are enjoying this in the house, no need coating your eggs with some salt. This is just to demonstrate to you how the street sellers do it, okay? And to get the perfect whitish coating on the egg, you just have to let it relax in a cool dry place for about 3 to 4 hours. But since I'm enjoying this in the house, I couldn't wait any longer because Kosua Mako is such a delicious snack and I couldn't wait at all, okay? So now let's peel our eggs and fill in with our pepper sauce and enjoy ourselves. How many of these can you enjoy in a day? I can enjoy about 10 eggs in a day. When it is filled with pepper like this, it's so delicious. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this deviled eggs recipe or Kosua Mako recipe. It's such a delicious snack and I hope you're going to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching.